Namaskar, I am Shifali Maheshwari and you are watching Rhythm. In the skies of self-reliance, India's wings are spreading wider, stronger and faster. With every takeoff of the indigenous Tejas, we are not just building fighter jets, we are forging the future of a powerful and self-sufficient India. A dream decades in the making is now turning into reality as India prepares for the stable delivery of its own light combat aircraft Tejas powered by a General Electric engine. A milestone that strengthens our defense and signals India's growing dominance in aerospace technology. After nearly a year-long delay, India is set to achieve a major breakthrough in its indigenous defense capabilities. The upcoming fiscal year will see the stable delivery of the Tejas, marking a significant boost for the Indian Air Force, which has been seeking to enhance its fighter squadron strength. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the state-run aerospace giant, is gearing up to roll out between 16 to 24 Tejas aircraft, with production expected to accelerate following the stabilization of the supply chain. The engine produced by GE faced supply constraints earlier, leading to disruptions in the delivery schedule. However, with production now streamlined, the delivery schedule is back on track. This is not just about adding more jets to India's arsenal. It is about securing the country's future in aerospace innovation. The Indian Air Force currently operates with 31 fighter squadrons, far below the sanctioned strength of 42, at a time when China is aggressively expanding its air power. The arrival of the Tejas jets will help bridge the gap, providing much-needed reinforcement to India's defense preparedness. With its cutting-edge avionics, advanced radar and superior maneuverability, the Tejas is poised to be a game-changer in the region. But how did we reach this point? The story of Tejas is not just about a modern fighter jet. It is a testament to India's determination to break free from foreign dependency in defense manufacturing. The project dates back to the 1980s, when India embarked on an ambitious journey to develop an indigenous fighter jet under the Light Combat Aircraft program. The goal was clear: to reduce reliance on foreign aircraft and strengthen self-reliance in defense technology. Over the decades, the journey has been filled with challenges, from technological hurdles to funding constraints. The Tejas project faced multiple setbacks. Initial delays pushed its expected completion from 2015 to a much later timeline. However, India persisted. By 2019, the IAF received the first Tejas Mark I aircraft, and in 2020, the Advanced Tejas Mark I aircraft was introduced, featuring enhanced avionics and a state-of-the-art radar system. These upgrades position Tejas as a formidable force in modern aerial warfare. Now, with production finally stabilizing, the focus is on ensuring timely deliveries and expanding manufacturing capabilities. India is not just making fighter jets. It is establishing itself as a hub for indigenous military aviation. The government's continuous push for defense self-reliance, including initiatives like Make in India, has played a crucial role in ensuring projects like Tejas take off successfully. India is no longer a spectator in global aerospace innovation. It is taking charge, leading from the front and proving that self-reliance is not just a vision, but a reality, taking shape one aircraft at a time. Jai Hind.